Ganja and Zion reggae, your man. When the morning sky turn gold, crown of light your hand unfold. Rise upon the mountain crest, give the weary soul a rest. Every color in the sky, speak the truth that never die. Glory shining bright and new, crown of morning light break through. No more sorrow, no more chain, morning crown erase the pain. Traveler weary find his way, guided by the break of day. Shadow vanish, night is gone, crown of light still shining on. Every tear dry from the face, morning crown restore the grace. Every step up, holy song, light of Jah will keep them strong. Stone of Babylon start to fall, morning crown redeem them all. Shine with golden flame, birds of Zion call your name. City wall no longer high, morning crown uplift the sky. Soldier lady, weapon down, rising stead to wear the crown. Glorious fire, pure and bright, crown of Jah a guiding light. Trumpet sound across the land, morning crown by Jah hand. Generations standing on, morning crown fulfill the law. From the elder to the youth, crown of light reveal the truth. No corruption, no disguise, morning crown before the eyes. Justice flowing, mercy sing, morning light crown Jah King. Everlasting, bold and true, morning crown for me and you. Eternal, never fade, by Jah power it was made. Every nation go and see, morning crown of victory. Earth rejoicing, sky proclaim, crown of light exalt Jah name. New creation dawn so near, morning crown forever here. Shine, shine, morning flame, crown of glory Jah name. Rise, rise, break the night, morning crown bring the light. Glow, glow, never cease, crown of light declare the peace. Crown of morning light, bold and true, guide the people, carry through. Never fading, never fall, crown of light, bless them all. Forever glowing, pure and bright, crown of Zion, morning light on the mountain, in the plain, morning crown forever reign. Zion reggae's back, your man. City wall so high and proud, Babylon speak its words so loud. But in the distance light appear, flame of truth draw ever near. Stone and steel begin to shake, flame of freedom start to wake. Every spark arise righteous plan. Flame remind the soul of man. Market cry and merchant boast. Flame of mercy hunt them ghosts. Paper kingdom, greed and gold. Flame of justice break that hole. Every tower lose its pride. Flame of truth come from inside. No more crown for wicked throne. Flame reveal what Jah has shown. Preacher shout upon the street. Flame of reason at his feet. Every sinner feel the glow. Flame of love begin to show. Politicians start to hide. Flame expose the crooked side. Every liar, every scheme burn away like shadow dream. Work arise before the day. Flame of hope light up the way. Every sweat and every tear. Flame of courage draw them near. No oppression hold them long. Flame ignite the righteous song. Every hand unite as one. Flame of freedom overcome. Poet see the skyline red. Flame of change inside his head. Every verse a fire call. Flame of vision burn them all. No illusion, no disguise. Flame of truth reveal the lies. Everlasting, bold and pure. Flame of justice will endure. Babylon tremble, night grow thin. Flame of life rise deep within. Every heart a burning coal. Flame of love restore the soul. Generation lift them on. Flame of truth consume the land. Ever rising fierce and free. Flame of Zion victory. Morning come, the smoke is gone. Flame of mercy still live on. Every ruin bloom again. Flame of peace remove the pain. No more king, no empty throne. Flame of love make earth its home. Everlasting, strong and free. Flame of Zion destiny. Burn, burn Babylon down. Flame of justice wear the crown. Shine, shine bold and true. Flame of mercy shine for you. Flame over Babylon rise and burn. Teach the wicked what they must learn. Never fading, never small. Flame of truth consume it all. Forever shining, fierce and bright. Flame of Zion guide the night. Sacred fire, bold and free. Flame of love, eternity. Big spliff and coconut, yeah, man. Ryan. Yeah. Under the rising sun, me pray. The better youth and brighter day. Jah light guide every soul. Unity the goal. Me walk through the street, me see the pain. People tired of Babylon chain. Me chant a song for the youth, them strong. Jah lead them where them belong. Me see the roots start grow again. Love wash away the sin. Every heart beat same time. Jah rhythm so divine. Me feel the breeze of ancient song. Remind we where we belong. No matter color, creed or place, I'll share Jah grace. Me plant the seed, me nurture peace, till hate and greed release. Every every voice become a drum till redemption come. Yeah, roots of tomorrow grow, plant them deep and let them show. One faith, one sound, one nation. Jah love the foundation. Rise up, children of creation. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Lift your vibration. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Zen of creation. Yeah, 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 yeah. Me see the youths them stand and smile. Strength and hope for every mile. Them eyes reflect the future clear. No more pain, no fear. Me chant for justice, me chant for truth. Jah wisdom bless the youth. Me hold the torch for the next one till the healing done, 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 done. Roots musician beat the drum. Better days soon come. Freedom spirit start to bloom. No more doom. Me plant the tree of love, me know. It grow where rivers flow low. No system can erase the roots of Jah grace. Roots of tomorrow grow, plant them deep and let them show. One faith, one sound, one nation. Jah love the foundation. Rise up, children of creation. Lift your vibration. Lift gen of creation. So when this storm try break the ground, remember our roots sound. Deep in earth them never die. Jah keep them high, 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 high. Zion reggae, a man. Aye, aye. Zion reggae, a man. Hear the thunder, shake the land. Voice of Jah is mighty hand. Echo deep across the plain. Thunder break the wicked chain. Every mountain start to move. Thunder speak the righteous truth. Babylon tremble, kingdom fall. Thunder rise above it all. Lightning flash and rivers glow. Thunder let the whole world know. Prophet hear the holy sound. Thunder shake the solid ground. No more silence, no disguise. Thunder open blinded eyes. Every echo pure and bright. Thunder prove Jah holy might. Echo strong, thunder chant the Zion song. Every strike a sacred sign. Thunder mark the will divine. Darkness scatter, night is gone. Thunder guide the morning sun. Every heart begin to see. Thunder bring the victory. Babylon tried to hide away. Thunder still declare the day. Walls collapse, the towers fall. Thunder judgment reach them all. Every lie and every scheme. Thunder break it like a dream. Echo loud both far and near. Thunder say the truth is here. Jam, ja na 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 na. Jam, ja na 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 na. Generations lift the hand, thunder sweep across the land. Everlasting, bold and free, thunder sing eternity. Voice eternal, sound so pure. Thunder truth will still endure. Glorious echo, strong and bright. Thunder shines a holy light. Boom, boom, mighty tone. Thunder never stand alone. Rise, rise, voice of flame. Thunder glorify your name. Thunder in the valley, pure and strong. Shake the earth with holy song. Never silent, never still. Thunder move by Jah will. Forever roaring, bold and free. Thunder sing the prophecy.
Aye, 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 I am Reggae man. Aye, 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 Zion Reggae man. Blow across the desert wide, wind of freedom, holy guide. Carry voices, lift the song, break the chain that held too long. No one see it, still it's real. Wind of Zion start to heal. Every whisper, every breath. Wind of life, defeat of death. Banner wave upon the hill. Wind of Jah fulfill the will. Shout of youth, cry of poor. Wind of justice shake the door. Iron bars them swing aside. Wind of freedom flood the tide. Every nation hear the sound. Wind of mercy spread around. Not of sword, not of fire. Wind uplift the soul higher. Gentle breeze and mighty storm. Wind of Zion still transform. Dust of war swept away. Wind of peace declare the day. Tear them wall, lift the veil. Wind of truth will never fail. Sailor guide, prophet sing. Wind announce, Jah King. Whisper soft yet strong and clear. Wind of Zion always near. Babylon try to hold it back. Still the wind stay on track. Flow eternal, bold and free. Wind of love for destiny. Blow, blow, mighty sound. Lift the people off the ground. Rise, rise, spirit strong. Wind of Zion carry on. Wind of liberation, free and true. Blow the chains away from you. Never stopping, never still. Wind of Zion guide your will. Forever flowing, high and strong. Wind of freedom carry song.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion is so high, man. Mountain rising, Zion land. Holy work Zion mountain, call your name, no Babylon can shake the ground. Zion mountain, all around, forever standing pure and true. Zion mountain, carry you. Zion mountain, tall and strong, echo holy Jah song. Every stone a holy flame. Zion mountain, praise his name. It crown the valley, crown the sea. Zion mountain, destiny forever holy, never gone. Zion mountain, shining strong. It guard the children, guard the meek. Zion mountain, all hearts seek, forever rising pure and wide. Zion mountain, holy tide, we climb it in the morning sun. Zion mountain, never done, it blaze eternal, never fall. Zion mountain, for all, forever glowing pure and true. Zion mountain, carry you, it rise the people, rise the land. Zion mountain, by Jah hand, it stand eternal, strong and wide. Zion mountain, holy guide, no Babylon can shake a stone. Zion mountain, stand alone, forever holy, bright and free. Zion mountain, destiny, it lift the spirit, lift the song. Zion mountain, just strong. Zion mountain still remain, forever holy, never cease. Zion mountain, bring Jah peace from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion mountain, show Jah way, eternal rising, tall and long. Zion mountain, Jah song, stand high, stand free. Zion mountain, majesty, no chain, no wall can pull it down. Zion mountain, wear the crown. Zion mountain, tall and strong, echo holy Jah song. Every stone a holy flame. Zion mountain, praise his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion mountain still carry on. Zion, Raga Yaman. Road to Zion, pure and wide. Jah guide me every stride. It shine with truth, it shine with flame. Zion road, exalt his name. No Babylon can block the way. Zion road, here to stay, forever holy, strong and true. Zion road, carry you. Zion road, clear and bright, guide the soul into Jah light. Every mile, a holy flame. Zion road, praise his name. It call the humble, guide the meek. Zion road, all hearts seek, forever holy, never gone. Zion road, shining strong, it climbed the hill, it crossed the sea. Zion road, eternity, forever steady, pure and long. Zion
trumpet sound again. Zion Road still remain forever holy, never fall. Zion Road bless us all from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion Road show your way, eternal walking, pure and long. Zion Road just sang. Step high, step true. Zion Road for me and you. No chain, no wall can turn we back. Zion Road, keep we track. Zion Road, clear and bright, guide the soul into your light. Every mile a holy flame. Zion Road, praise his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion Road still carry on. Ay, ay, ay. Why, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ay, ay, ay. Golden trail beneath me feet, morning air so fresh, so sweet. Me step with purpose, eyes ahead, follow where the spirit led. Me walk the path of dusty stone, never truly feel alone. A gentle hum fill up the air, like ancient chorus floating there. Me hum along with steady breath, life itself defeat me death. Every moment paint a sign, point me to a truth divine. A traveler sit beneath a tree, sketching visions wild and free. He show me portraits of the land, drawn with strong and steady hand. He say every path reveal a clue, lead you deeper into you. Me nod and share a humble smile, reason with him for a while. Songs of the radiant path sound bright, guide we through the darkest night. Every step a sacred tune, glow beneath the rising moon. Songs of lifty heart and mind, lead we where the stars align. Walk with courage, walk with grace, find your rhythm, find your place. Me trod until the noon get high, sunbeam sparkle through the sky. A village rest along the road, people carrying gentle load. Them greet me warm, invite me near, share a melody sincere. We sing together joyful strong, blend the day with healing song. As dust descend with purple haze, me mind drift off in quiet praise. The path ahead still long and wide, but me feel a peace inside. Lanterns light the winding lane, ease the body, soothe the brain. Me know me journey far from done, still every step bring rising sun. Hold the rhythm as you go, let the radiant wisdom flow. Every Every step a chance fi rise, every breath a new sunrise. Songs of the radiant path sound bright, guide we through the darkest night. Every step a sacred tune, glow beneath the rising moon. Songs uplifting heart and mind, lead we where the stars align. Walk with courage, walk with grace, find your rhythm, find your place. So when the doubts cloud up your way, sing your song and light your day. The radiant path will show you through, every note belong to you. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. No, 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 Zion reggae. Upon the throne of righteous King, Zion power everlasting. Not of gold nor silver bright, but of love and holy light. It ruled the meek, it ruled the true. Throne of Jah for me and you. Every word a holy call. Throne of Zion reign for all. Throne of Zion, seat of peace, rule of love will never cease. Every nation, every tongue bow before the righteous one. It stands so high, it stands so strong. Throne of Jah where I belong. No tyrant hand, no wicked reign, only truth and love remain. It guide the people, guard the land. Throne established by Jah hand, forever justice, never wrong. Throne of Zion ever strong. Me see the elders gathered near, sing the song for all to hear. Throne surrounded by pure flame, glorify the holy name. It bless the children, bless the poor. Throne of Zion open door, no Babylon can overthrow. Throne of Jah forever show, it shine like diamond, glow like sun. Throne of Zion rule is one. Every crown and scepter fade, but Jah throne forever made. It guide the humble, guide the meek. Throne of truth, all man seek. Righteous seat for all mankind. Throne of Jah, eternal mind. When the final trumpet play, throne of Zion still will stay. It judge the earth, it rule with care. Justice always standing there. No power greater, no name higher. Throne of Jah, eternal fire. Seat of mercy, seat of song. Throne of Zion ever strong. Stand tall, bow
my skin. Morning rise on the hill, heartbeat steady like a drum, guiding me still. Me walk through valley of noise and doubt, but my spirit never fade out. People talk but truth stays strong, like roots we grow deep all along. Every corner wall a lesson fi learn, every struggle build the fire we burn. Me keep me mind clean, keep me soul free, 'cause freedom start inside of we. River of freedom flow through the land, lift every heart, hold every hand. Wash off the worry, wash off the pain, bring back sunshine after the rain. Me hear the elder voice whisper wise, say blessing fall where good vibes rise. So me follow that path, humble and sure, knowing what simple love can cure. Big city or small town lane, people all cry for the same sweet gain. Unity strong when the heart stay true. Better tomorrow start with you. No chains, no fear, only elevation. Rise up strong like a healing nation. Let the good energy circulate, turn every burden into something great. River of freedom flow through the land, lift every heart, hold every hand. Wash off the worry, wash off the pain, bring back sunshine after the rain. Carry the people, guide them strong, keep them moving all day long. So when darkness try to cloud the day, let the river show the way. Freedom call, soft but clear, always guide whoever hear. Sunshine peek through the old oak tree, nature whisper melodies to me. Me step with confidence through life's wild ride, hope and patience by my side. Every setback shape me more, me rise again stronger than before. Some chase glitter, some chase fame, but me chase peace, not spotlight name. Simple life, pure intention stay, that carry through night and day. Roots of gold, deep in the ground, hold me steady when storms come round. Blessings grow in the heart so kind, riches born in a humble mind. Me see the youth searching for guidance, trying to find their inner stride. Me show them love, show them respect, 'cause every soul deserve protect. Old songs echo through the breeze, carry healing like sweet melodies. With the heart pure, the spirit rise, painting hope across the skies. No hurry, no rush, just your tempo. Move gentle like a river flow. One breath, one beat, one vibration, building up a peaceful nation. Roots of gold, deep in the ground, hold me steady when storms come round. Blessings grow in the heart so kind, riches born in a humble mind. Shine them bright, shine them true, golden roots inside of you.
'cause that are the strongest shield. Roots of gold, forever stay, guiding me through every day. Na 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 Zion reggae, yeah man. Oh, the land of Zion reggae, yeah man. Oh, before the daylight come alive, me feel just spirit revive. Me plant me seed in holy ground, hear the ancient sound. Every root reach far below, truth begin to grow. Me see the world just vanity, blind figure and reality. But the roots know where them stand, deep inside your hand. Me feel the pulse under the clay, tell me everything okay. Nature taught me overstand, Jah control the land. Me see the city lights so bright, but none compare to Jah light. Them build the towers tall and wide, but love inside can hide. Me prefer the humbleness, where earth and soul confess. Roots dig deep and never fade, Rasta made. We send roots of the dawn, rise again, break the chain of men. From the soil come strength anew, Jah make all things true. Roots of the dawn, so pure, so strong, teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below, let Jah power flow. Me feel the sunrise on me face, Jah love fill the place. Every color in the sky, whisper Jah reply. Me chant a psalm for healing sound, bless the holy ground. Roots connect the past to now, show me how. Oh, them try to cut the roots away, but Jah earth not decay. Me see the vine grow back again, wash away the pain. Roots of faith and love remain, bless the sun and rain. Me stand tall in a Zion song, where I belong. Whoa, deep roots hold through storm and fire, carry me higher. When the wind blow, me stay strong. Roots keep me long, from generation to generation. Same foundation. Oh, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Roots of the dawn, rise again, break the chain of men. From the soil come strength anew, Jah make all things true. Roots of the dawn, so pure, so strong, teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below, let Jah power flow. When the night come creep again, me call Jah name. Roots of the dawn, forever grow. My soul know. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Aye, aye, aye. Rasta man is so high, man. when the thunder roll across the plain, Babylon tremble in the rain. Lightning strike the iron wall, thunder sound the righteous call. No more crown upon false head, no more system feeding dread. People gather, voices rise, thunder open blinded eyes. Soldiers march but heart is weak, thunder make the silence speak. Ancient drum in rhythm strong, carry justice all along. Chain them break with mighty roar, thunder shake the city core. Fire flash, truth reveal, Babylon kingdom no one seal. Oh. Hear the trumpet, hear the cry, Babylon towers start to die. Thunder roll across the sea, calling out to set them free. Every elder lift a hand, see the judgment flood the land. Lightning paint the sky so wide, Zion people stand with pride. Not by anger, not by sword, thunder bring the living word. Mighty sound of Jah declare, freedom rising everywhere. Nation bow, nation sing, thunder call for righteous king. Babylon wall fall to dust, thunder teach them truth and trust. Roll, roll, thunder cry, shake the earth, split the sky. Fall, fall, kingdom wall, thunder sound for one and all. Thunder over Babylon, break the chain, wash away the bloody stain. Truth come down like heavy rain, thunder call again, again, forever roaring. Mighty strong, thunder sing Jah holy song.
Na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Cool wine roll from the mountain top, bring a calm and never want to stop. Me climb each step with steady pace, truth like a lantern light me space. Every height reveal a new view, show me lessons me never knew. Voices echo from far below, but me heart know where fi go. Me follow the rhythm of me own drum, knowing me strength yet to come. Mountain spirit rise, lift me high, carry me voice straight to the sky. Let me stand tall, firm and free, show the world where me born fi be. Cloud shift slow like ancient song, remind me where me truly belong. Nature speak with a subtle tone, saying you're strong, you're never alone. Missy villages down below, people fight but still they grow. Hope like water reach every hand, spreading life across the land. Me no fear no storm that rise, me got courage in me eyes. Every mountain teach humility, every climb strengthen unity. Mountain spirit rise, I lift me high,
carry me voice straight to the sky. Let me stand tall, firm and free. Show the world where me born fi be. Let the echoes travel far, shining like a guiding star. So me step off with peaceful mind, leaving heavy thoughts behind. Mountain spirit ever near, lead me forward without fear.
Na Zion, reggae, yeah, man.
Walk the Zion path so true. Jaja guide me steps anew. It lead the humble, guide the meek. Zion path all soul shall seek. No Babylon can block the way. Zion path forever stay. It shine with light, it shine with flame. Zion path exalt his name. Zion path straight and clear. Jah forever walking near. Every step me soul be strong. Zion path me walk along.
with the sunrise glow. Fire in me soul still grow. Your voice whisper soft and slow. Tell me walk the righteous road. Me grow up rough, me learn the end. Still my heart no turn to chain. Every scar a lesson true. Teach me what me born for do. Them try break me spirit down, but me stand firm pon holy ground. Me no chase bone, me chase truth. From elder word to youthful root. The system loud, but me stay calm. Jah protect me with his arm. Fire burn, but never yet. Love me weapon, faith me gate. Fire in a soul, burn clean. Pure vibration, evergreen. Fire in a soul, light the way. Guide me through night and day. Guide me through night and day. Me see the youth, them lose them way. Searching hope in night and day. Me sing for them, me stand tall. One love rise, divide fall. Roots deep like ancient tree. Jah plan bigger than we see. Me chant against oppression chain. Freedom song ran through me vein. No fear inside, no turning back. Me part keep me heart intact. When world get cold and heart still weak. Fire in our soul start to speak. Truth rise up, no disguise. Jah light shine from inside. Fire in our soul, burn clean. Pure vibration, evergreen. Fire in our soul, light the way. Guide me through night and day. Guide me through night and day. So me walk on strong and low. With fire burning, never cold. Try inside me, never fall. Fire in our soul, keep on. Me wait for the sunrise glow. Fire in a me soul still grow. Your voice whisper soft and slow. Tell me what me right up road. Me grow up rough, me learn at the end. Still me heart no turn to chill. Every star a lesson true. Teach me what me ball to do. Them try break me spirit down. Love me stand firm on holy ground. Me no chase gold, me chase truth. From elder word to youth for road. This is the load, but me stay down. Jah protect you with his arm. Fire burn, gun never end. Love me weapon, faith me gain. Fire in our soul, burn clean, burn clean. Oh, vibration, evergreen, evergreen. Oh,
and Zion, yeah, man. Hear the drum beat in the night. Ancestors keep the fire bright. Through the struggle, through the chain, flame of memory still remain. Whisper from the earth below, stories of the roots we know. Guiding hand from long before, flame still burning nevermore. Every elder chant a line, carved in stone eternal sign. Blood and sweat yet spirit strong, flame a guide the whole along. No oppression hold it down, flame of truth a shining crown. Generation pass it on, flame of ancestors never gone. When the storm a try to rise, flame still dancing in the eyes. Babylon a spread them lies, flame of wisdom never dies. Children born with spark inside, flame of courage never hide. Roots grow deep beneath the soil, flame reward the righteous toil. War may rage and nations fall, still the flame unite them all. From the desert to the sea, flame of ancestors set we free. Sacred fire light the way, shining bright till break of day. Every spark a holy call, flame of Zion bless us all. Lift your hand and feel the heat, flame of past and future me. Torch of love, eternal guide, flame of truth we never hide. When the darkness try to stay, flame of ancestors chase away. Forever glowing bold and pure, flame of Zion shall endure. Burn, burn, sacred fire, lift the people's spirit higher. Shine, shine, bright and strong, flame of ancestors carry on. Flame of the ancestors burning high, like the people never die. Forever glowing bold and free, flame of truth for you and me. Eternal fire, righteous core, flame of ancestors evermore. Zion, yeah, man. Shining bright from heaven high, Zion light will never die. It guide me spirit, guide me soul. Zion light make me whole. No darkness can dim its flame. Zion light exalt your name, forever glowing, pure and true. Zion light, for me and you. Zion light, shine so strong, guide the people all along. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion light, called your name. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion light, all people seek, forever
show.